Where are the aliens? The universe has always held its secrets close to heart, and as humans, we have done and are still doing everything we can to learn its secrets and mysteries. Our thirst for knowledge has unraveled so many answers, and with the James Webb Space Telescope in our arsenal, the possibilities are endless. In a recent development, the James Webb Telescope sent new HD images of Proxima b, a world believed to host extraterrestrial life outside our solar system. As scientists began to analyze these images, something strange and extraordinary blew their minds. But what lies hidden within these captivating pictures? How do these revelations about Proxima b impact our search for habitable exoplanets and the potential for extraterrestrial life? Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the new HD images of Proxima b released by the James Webb Telescope that show something strange. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe burst into existence and gradually evolved into what we have today. Through time, galaxies, stars, planets, and their moons emerged, forming a dynamic and continuously evolving relationship. As humans, since we could look up into the night sky, we've sought to understand this cosmic relationship. Our ingenuity has led us to develop the most sophisticated tools to aid our quest. Today, we've developed the most advanced telescope, which serves as our eyes in investigating celestial objects and events, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. The JWST has led us into the deepest reaches of space, enhancing our understanding of the working principles of the universe. Using infrared glasses, the JWST allows us to see cosmic features we never knew existed. Through its lens, scientists have been able to investigate the origins of galaxies, stars, and planets. Now, the goal is to find extraterrestrial life or evidence of it beyond our solar system. Equipped with sophisticated filters, the JWST has helped scientists map out the cosmos, detecting various features and mysteries previous telescopes couldn't detect. While the JWST's potential isn't fully realized, its discoveries have been incredible. It has uncovered some intriguing findings. For instance, it revealed that the universe has even greater mass than previously assumed. With each discovery, the JWST solves the mysteries of the cosmos, unraveling its secrets one galaxy at a time. However, the story continues. Recently, the James Webb Telescope achieved a new feat by sending back the first clear image of Proxima b. This discovery can be traced back to 2013 when scientists detected a slight gravitational tug between a planet and its parent star dubbed Proxima b. This celestial body is a planet that revolves around Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. This discovery was exciting news in the scientific community as it was like finding a new neighbor in space. Alpha Centauri is a system composed of 3 stars, including Proxima Centauri, which is only 4 light-years from Earth. Proxima is the closest star to our solar system, however, it is still quite far from us. When we observe it, we still see it as it was about 4 years ago. Proxima b, though appearing distant at 25 light-years away, is actually one of our closest planetary neighbors beyond our solar system. Just imagine the possibility of traveling to a newly discovered world so close to our own. This exoplanet is slightly bigger than Earth, measuring around 30% greater in mass than our home planet. However, what truly sparks the imagination is its incredibly rapid orbit, completing a cycle in just 11.2 Earth days. This rapid revolution of Proxima b results from its close proximity to its parent star, orbiting at a mere 7.3 million kilometers, a relatively short distance compared to the distance Earth maintains from the Sun. With such a close distance, scientists expected Proxima Centauri to be scorchingly hot. However, because it is a small star, it emits far less heat than our Sun. Now, imagine standing upon Proxima b's surface, looking up at its radiant sun, Proxima Centauri. Unlike our familiar bright sun, this celestial entity would appear as a dim crimson sphere with a diameter 3 times that of our Sun. Additionally, if Proxima b is in the Goldilocks zone around its star, a region where it's not too hot or too cold, data suggests that water may be on the planet. The presence of water on Proxima b has sent excitement through the scientific community, as this could mean the planet could support life. Scientists are eager to learn more about this mysterious planet. Indeed, while the possibility of Proxima b hosting extraterrestrial life is exciting, some significant concerns dampen our interstellar aspirations. One major issue is that Proxima b might be stuck in a situation called tidal locking, where one side faces the star and the other remains in total darkness. This isn't great for life to thrive. Also, there's a big problem with water turning into steam. If there's any water close to the star, it will quickly get super hot from the star's heat and change into clouds of steam. On the other hand, if a planet strays too far from its star, it gets super cold, making it impossible for liquid water to exist. But that's not all. Proxima Centauri, although much smaller than our Sun, has a wild stormy core that creates strong magnetic fields. These fields release a lot of radiation and bursts of particles, resulting in a very harsh environment. These cosmic disturbances pose formidable challenges for planets located within the star's habitable zone, like Proxima b, making the possibility of life minimal. Until recently, scientists didn't know much about the magnetic field around Proxima Centauri, but with new technology, they've learned a lot. A recent study found that Proxima b gets hit with a lot of radiation from the star's solar wind, 1,000 times more than Earth. This massive amount of radiation makes it hard for any living thing to survive there. In April 2021, Proxima Centauri showed how wild it can get when it released a massive burst of energy called a GA flare. This flare was 100 times bigger than anything our Sun has ever done. It's like a giant explosion in space. This makes it less likely that Proxima b could support life, despite the exciting idea that it might. The conditions there are probably too harsh for any kind of life we know about. The flare from Proxima Centauri was 100 times bigger than any solar eruption we've seen from our Sun. Just think about how bright and powerful that must have been. It's hard to imagine anything surviving such a massive blast of radiation without getting hurt. This shows that despite the exciting idea that it could, life would have a really tough time surviving in such a harsh environment around Proxima b. Its conditions are probably too tough for any life we know about. People have always been interested in the idea of finding aliens. This interest peaked in late 2020 when scientists detected a strange signal from the Alpha Centauri system, where Proxima Centauri is. What's intriguing about this signal is that it has a frequency of 982.551 MHz. New discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, have revealed something fascinating. Data suggests that Proxima b, the faraway planet scientists are studying, might have water vapor in its atmosphere. This finding is super important because water is crucial for life to exist. Figuring out how much water is on Proxima b is like solving a big space puzzle. Scientists are using all the latest tools like spectroscopy and atmospheric modeling to try and learn more about Proxima b's atmospheric composition. This helps us learn more about space and understand how everything works. Spectroscopy is a secret agent tool, a specialized spy gadget that helps scientists determine what gases are around Proxima b. It shows scientists important atmospheric compounds and elements like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, which are essential ingredients for life to exist. Another helpful tool is atmospheric modeling, which creates a computer model of what Proxima b's atmosphere might be like. Here, scientists play around with different scenarios and variables, like making a model dinosaur and guessing how it looked when it was alive. Using this combined approach, scientists are getting closer to understanding the mysterious veil covering Proxima b's atmosphere and determining if it could be a good place for life. Even as we make progress there, there's still a lot we don't know, which is why it's so important to keep exploring and learning. Despite the harsh conditions around Proxima b's star, people are still hopeful. We can find inspiration here on Earth, where we have extremophiles, tiny organisms that can survive in places once thought impossible. Extremophiles live in extremely hot places such as hydrothermal vents deep in the ocean, highly acidic lakes formed by volcanoes, and even the freezing cold of Antarctica. These little organisms show us that life can thrive in all sorts of unexpected places, proving how adaptable and tough it can be. Considering the incredible resilience of life on Earth, the idea of finding life on a planet like Proxima b seems increasingly possible. Just as extremophiles can survive in Earth's harshest environments, it's possible that life could exist in the most challenging parts of the universe. Extremophiles have expanded our understanding of where life can exist, challenging what we thought was possible by surviving in places that seemed uninhabitable. Their survival ability gives us hope that similar kinds of life could exist on distant planets like Proxima b, which we're actively studying. Thermophiles love hot temperatures, with some species like Thermus aquaticus thriving in hot springs and others like Pyrobaculum fumari thriving in superhot deep-sea vents. Conversely, psychrophiles are experts at surviving in the cold, like Psychrobacter arcticus, which lives happily in the freezing realms of the Arctic and Antarctic. These extremophiles are like nature's superheroes, showing us how resilient life can be even in the toughest conditions.